hurt my back the other day.
Me too. I hurt my back the other day as well. How'd you hurt your back?
I hurt my back playing basketball. I just was playing a little too hard, and now my back hurts. How'd you hurt your back?
I sneezed.
You, you sneezed?
Yeah, I sneezed a little too hard. And now life sucks.